Spending more time pushing dirt around than actually vacuuming it up with your Dyson V11? Does that powerful suction feel, well, not so powerful anymore? You're definitely not imagining things. This frustrating lack of cleaning power is a surprisingly common headache for Dyson V11 owners. The likely culprit? A spoiled motor. Think of it as the heart of your vacuum. When it weakens, performance plummets. It's usually caused by internal wear and tear over time. Ignoring it doesn't just mean dirty floors, it means putting extra strain on other components, potentially leading to more costly Dyson repair needs down the road. But don't despair, and definitely don't toss that Dyson. Dealing with a spoiled motor might seem daunting, but there's a fix. RoboCare specializes in pinpointing and resolving exactly this kind of vacuum repair. Fixing a Dyson motor isn't guesswork. We employ precise vacuum diagnosis techniques to pinpoint the exact cause of the failure, whether it's wear, an electrical fault, or debris damage. This ensures we address the root problem, not just the symptom. Our approach is straightforward. Identify the exact cause of the motor failure, whether it needs intricate repair or a full replacement using genuine parts. Our goal is always to restore your Dyson V11's powerful performance safely and effectively. Talk is one thing, but seeing the results is what truly matters, right? Let's show you the results. Look at that difference. After RoboCare's expert motor repair, this Dyson V11 is back to full suction power, tackling messes like brand new. Ready to restore that powerful suction? Contact RoboCare today for hassle-free expert repair. Whether you visit us in Kota Damansara or use our convenient courier service.